I'll show you how to put custom music in GTA 5. So this will be detailed step-by-step guide as you can see. So step number 1, copy the music as it's illustrated. Locate the music, right click and then copy. After copying the music, open the directory on your computer and then make sure the music file is in MP3. So MP3 is the music format. Now go ahead and search for Rockstar and then open up the hard drive folder in the Rockstar. So go ahead, tap on user music and then go ahead and paste it as it's illustrated. Once it's pasted, then go ahead and import it into GTA. So step number 1, open GTA, come to settings, okay? Once you come to settings, come to audio, then auto scan for music, then click on the escape on your keyboard and then the music will start playing after importing. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet.